Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM into the device. So before we get started, you will need one thing, which is the SIM eject tool. Like this, they come provided in a box, and if you can't find a box or whatever, you can always use something like a paper clip. This, straighten it out, and it should just work fine. But for this, I'm gonna use the actual one. So on the right side, you will find a tiny little place where you can insert the tool and just push it in, and you will see that the tray kind of pops out a bit. You can see it right here. So you want to just take it out all the way, and from here all you need to do is just place the SIM like so. Make sure that the cutout of the SIM is located on the bottom right corner here, and then all you need to do is just slide it back in. Oops. And just put in a code for it, and there it is. So that is how you would insert a SIM into the device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.